This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Kerry is here. Come on. Wrapping paper. Coming to rescue you, Princess. Kerry's come round to show us her costume for Vinda's party tomorrow. It's a Knights and Princesses party. You're a really pretty princess, Kerry. Thank you, Topsy. I'm going to be a red knight at Vinda's party. What are you going to be, Tim? I'm going to be a green knight. Do you want to see our costumes, Kerry? Yes, please, Topsy and Tim.
Kerry, your mum's here.
Oh, we were about to show Kerry our knight's costumes.
Tomorrow, Topsy, at Vinda's party. But right now, Kerry's mum needs her to go.
I'm going shopping with my mummy to go and buy Vinda's birthday present. We need to buy Vinda a birthday present too, Mummy.
I've already bought Vinda's present. You'll see. Come on, let's go down.
Come on, Topsy. Come on, Tim. You are Mummy. So we say goodbye to Kerry. Bye, Kerry. Bye, Joy.
Bye, Kerry.
Bye, Kerry.
See you soon, darling. Bye, Dominique.
And Mummy tells us that Vinda's birthday present is being delivered to our house soon by the supermarket delivery van. I'll see it before you. No, I will. I'll see the van before you. What is Vinda's present, Mummy? What have we bought her?
Just keep looking out of the window for me, please, Topsy and Tim. See if you can see that van.
We wait for the supermarket van for ages. Eddie, Teddy and Little Moon Bunny help. Can you see anything, Little Moon Bunny? I think it'll be Howard delivering all the shopping today. No, Stuart. Actually, Rosie. Yes, Rosie. I think I heard the van. Really? There it is. I can see it! Mummy! It's here!
Right, twins. Oh, hello, Rosie. Come here.
It's Rosie. Hello, Rosie. I hoped it would be you, Rosie.
Hi, Topsy. Hi, Tim. And hello, you two cuddly toys, too. Right, should we get this shopping into the kitchen?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Wow. Where's Vinda's present, Mummy?
Oh, is it someone's birthday?
Yes, it's our friend Vinda's birthday. We're going to her party tomorrow. Her present's in one of these bags.
Lucky Vinda. Now, shall we write our names as usual?
Yes!
Mummy, can you sign your name here for the shopping?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. And whose turn is it to write their name next to Mummy's?
It's mine this time.
OK, Tim, you write your name nice and clearly for Rosie, please.
OK.
Lovely writing.
Thank
and
you.
it's your turn next time, Topsy.
OK.
All right, I've got to go. See you later. Bye.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Rosie.
Bye, Rosie. Bye. Is this her present, Mummy? Stickers? A sticker book.
Well found, Topsy.
Oh, cool. It's got princesses and dragons. Mummy, did you get a card?
That's what I found.
Oh, there's the card. Did you buy wrapping paper to wrap up Vinda's present, Mummy?
Yes. It's on the receipt. Oh, the supermarket must have forgotten to send it.
Oh, no. We don't have any any wrapping paper to wrap up Vinda's present with?
Don't worry, I'll call Dad and ask him to get some on his way home.
Yes!
Yes! Hi, Bri, it's me. Yeah, no, everything's fine. Please could you pick up some wrapping paper for us on the way home? Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, we'll see you later. Bye.
Yes! Yes. What did he say, Mummy? What did he say?
Oh, Daddy's a bit too busy at work, so he can't pick any up at the moment. We'll have to think of something else.
But Vinda's birthday party is tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? I know! We can make our own wrapping paper.
That is a fantastic idea, Topsy. Why don't you two put your aprons on and I'll get all this tidied up.
Now you rip it, Tim. There. Vinda loves butterflies, so I'm going to paint butterflies on her wrapping paper. I'm going to paint multicoloured spots. It's bright. Painting the wrapping paper is easy, but waiting for it to dry takes ages. After a bath, I come down to see if it's ready. It's dry! I'll wrap the present. And I'll do the sticky tape. Okay, the sticky tape. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yes.
Brilliant. Tim, you sit in there for me. Topsy, you come and sit in here. Brilliant.
Oh, that's the present. Okay. Oh. You guys sit.
There we go. Oh, perfect wrapping, twins. Great teamwork. Nearly done?
Nearly. We just need one more piece.
One more piece. There you go.
Yes!
Perfect. Now for the card. Vinda, happy birthday. Love from. Go.
To. Yeah.
Perfect.
And.
Lovely.
Smiley face.
Oh, I wonder who that can be.
Come on, Tim.
Hello.
It's Rosie.
Hi. Sorry to call so late, Topsy and Tim, but I found this in my van. Butterfly wrapping paper. Is it to wrap Vinda's birthday present?
Yes!
Good. I thought it was yours. I'll see you next time. Wish Vinda a happy birthday from me.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon, Daisy. Bye. Thank you. So, shall we unwrap Vinda's present and wrap it in this paper, Tim? No, I've got an idea. Maybe we could wrap this wrapping paper over our wrapping paper. Like Boss Parcel. Yeah.
Good idea, Tim. It's your turn to wrap this time.
I like wrapping presents. I love opening presents.
Well, it's your next birthday very soon, so you'll have lots of presents to open then, won't you?
Yes! And that's what Mummy said. I can't believe my little twins are going to be 5 years old.
I can't believe my little twins are going to be 5 years old on their next birthday, Topsy and Tim.
5? Wow! It's a big number.
I think we should have a fabulous 5 birthday party at our new house. What do you think?
Yeah, please.
Right, let's get wrapping this present so that you two can get off to bed and be wide awake for Vinda's party tomorrow.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we wrapped Vinda's present. Was her present a teddy bear? Or was it a sticker book? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a sticker book. Watch this. Is this her present, Mummy? Stickers? A sticker book.
Well found, Topsy.
Oh, cool. It's got princesses and dragons. Mummy, did you get a card?
That's what I found.
Oh, there's the card. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.